Hi, I'm Adam Cadwallader. I'm a PhD research associate at the University of Colorado, Boulder. So one of the big issues today is bioinformatics and how all of this data that we're collecting from genomes, in the advent of personalized medicine where each person may have their genome taken, how do we analyze all that information? Well, we need bandwidth, we need storage sites. It's not going to be much to do it in the laboratory. You're going to need to have a collective pool somewhere and be able to use that bandwidth to do our analyses, to look for changes, to look for mutations. So another big segment is in cancer biology, or comparing what happens between a normal person and someone who has cancer and the specific mutations. There are researchers across the country and across the world working on many of these same diseases. To be able to collaborate, to be able to pool our data and ship it to someone so that we can do the analysis, get the results back quickly, will enable us to further our research and advance our field. Concerning biologists is how do we move around a lot of our data? We have huge stores, gigs, terabytes of data that we need to change, that we need to update. We have huge databases. The ability to interact with those databases in real time, to scope our data, to understand what we're looking at, and then to use that in real time is tremendous. So one way that we can use this 1 gigabit fiber line is to connect with our collaborators around the world, to have carbon neutral meetings where we can discuss our results and plan for future experiments. We have collaborators who are in Washington State to Rome, Italy, where we can connect in real time to be able to host a conference just on the web. It prevents travel, it saves costs, and is a carbon neutral method of having meetings. And so one of the big issues that we have when working with biological samples is imaging. Our imaging files can range from 100 megabytes up to a gigabyte with the HD quality and the fine detail that we need. To be able to ship those directly to our collaborators at different universities, get their feedback, will not only make data analysis easier, it'll make publishing much quicker and much better, and it'll make our results stand out.